All right, for the opening address, the man of ICT Academy, sir.
Enough, thank you. Good morning, friends. Welcome to ICT Academy's 17th edition of Bridge. To start with, I want to give some statistics about ICT Academy and its events and the activities that is conducted by ICT Academy in the last 5 years. Some numbers to chew in the morning so that the people of Tamil Nadu will understand about the gamut in which ICT Academy is going. We have accomplished 17 bridges so far in 6 regions of Tamil Nadu with 215 distinctive speakers. There are several speakers come 2-3 times. We are not taking that. The distinctive speakers are 215, and the bridge has addressed around 7,000 participants across Tamil Nadu. This is the number for a bridge alone. Through various conferences, seminars, guest lectures, summits, events across Tamil Nadu, we have brought around 500 industry experts, 523 to be very precise, to come to various colleges and addressing the teaching community and the students. This is number 2. ICT Academy has got 403 member colleges across Tamil Nadu, out of which around 60%, 60, are engineering colleges. Through 296 faculty development programs conducted all across Tamil Nadu, we have so far trained around 9,003 teachers, trained by industry experts with industry relevant, industry organized latest technologies which are available. This is done across Tamil Nadu. We are not just stopping with higher education, we are also last year entered into school education. We have so far added 45 schools as members. We have conducted 24 training programs for 1,517 school teachers. We have trained 13,500 ITI students of government on basic literacy in computers. We have trained 5,000 graduate students in IT skills, again Tamil Nadu government TNSDM project. We have trained 100 destitute girl children who are in the social welfare homes of government of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu Institute of Labor Studies utilized ICT Academy for their skill development programs. Tamil Nadu Skill Development Mission, Department of Social Welfare, Department of Employability and Training are some of the governmental organizations which are using ICT Academy in a big way. ICT Academy is also assisting setting up similar initiatives across India, to name Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala and our nearby Pondicherry. We have already started Pondicherry in a big way. We are the implementing partner for our neighboring Pondicherry state. We have developed 30 courses for Puducherry. So far we have conducted 12 faculty development programs. IT finishing school project for Puducherry government for their Puducherry college students. These are the things that we did for Puducherry. ICT Academy publishes 3 international journals on communication technology, soft computing, image and video processing. So far, ICT Academy has received 2,247 research papers across Tamil Nadu, and we published 382 papers so far in 52 journals, which means 17% of the papers got published. Others are rejected because it's a scrutiny, it's too research, it goes for 2 referrals and finally only it comes in. It is a blind referrals. ICT Academy again has got journals got published, almost all leading indexing database organizations across India, across the world. We have conducted in the month of August Youth Summit, which attracted almost all across Tamil Nadu. We have recently done Digital India Summit for Intel, and we are planning to add another 50 more colleges and 100 more schools in this coming 6 months. We try to enroll around 10,000 students for ICT Academy courses, and this time we are focusing on cloud and big data courses. We will be having our next bridge in Salem in the month of December, and as usual in the month of February we will be having a Grand Gala Chennai bridge, which is the 19th bridge. And we have started a school magazine called ICT Evolve, and we will be starting 2 more international journals, one in management, and the other one is microelectronics. We will be having a coding competition for schools. Now people are talking of coding as a subject in the United States. So we will try and inculcate the coding habit in the school side itself. So we will be starting coding competition in school. And we will be going in a big way in digital literacy, because entire Tamil Nadu people are all now with Gen Y and Gen Z people are using technology in a big way. So to make them aware of what is latest technology, we will go in a big way in digitizing digital literacy for our citizens. And we will be having a lot of CSR programs coming up because of Government of India announcing 2% CSR for all the corporate. So we will be the implementing partner for major organizations across India. And you must have seen that we have changed our logo, 5 years finished. Now you can see the new logo out there. This is ICT Academy's new logo. And we will be adding 2 more satellite centers. We will be having ICT Academy office in Madurai. Next month we will start one office here at Madurai. Next month we will be having one another office at Coimbatore. To service our customers better, we will be having decentralized offices, and it will be manned by Madurai and Coimbatore people. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Let us hear from the experts about what is the latest technology that is available, what are the employability skills that are required for the next gen, so that you will transfer it to your students out there. Thanks for coming this for Bridge. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for such a wonderful speech.